Hi and good day everyone. So for one day one question, today we will gonna do checkpoint of chemistry subject on chapter 2. Our objective to upgrade our skills on chemical equilibrium questions. So let's do this together. We will focus on chemical equilibrium question. For today, we will focus on checkpoint number 1, 2 and checkpoint number 3. Now look at the checkpoint 1. The question is state the characteristics of a system at equilibrium. We must remember that equilibrium, it means to equals of what? The rate of forward reaction equals the rate of reverse reaction. So the proper answer is the rate of forward reaction equals to the rate of the reverse reaction. Concentration of reaction and products remain unchanged, and equilibrium can be achieved either from the reactants or the products. For checkpoint number 2, the question states that write the equilibrium expression for Kc and Kp for the following reactions. Okay, for this question, we have remembered that the formula of equilibrium expression Kc and Kp is the same, which is equal to concentration of partial pressure of products over the reactant. It always must be products over the reactant. Okay. And then the second one, we have to remember that the equilibrium expression, whether Kc or Kp, both not involve pure liquid and pure solid, which means pure solid and pure liquid can be neglected for this kind of question. So look at A. 2NO are gas produce 2NO gas plus Br2 gas. So there's no liquid or solid, we just need to insert the product and the reactant into the formula. Same with Kp, we just have to change the concentration and partial pressure. So for B, the equation is SnO2 solid plus 2CO gas produce Sn solid plus 2CO2 gas. So look at the equation, it's involved pure solid, so we have to neglect it. Just cancel like this to avoid we doing careless. So okay, just insert the product and the reactant in the formula. So for C, the equation is P4 solid plus 6Cl2 gas produce 4PCl3 liquid. So we have to look at the pure solid and pure liquid there. We need to neglect it. So just cancel it like this, and notice that if we neglected pure liquid, there's no another compound as the product, right? So we just assume this as 1 and insert the reactant, insert the 6Cl2 as the reactant. For D, the equation is PbCl2 solid produce Pb2 plus aqueous plus 2Cl minus aqueous. So for this, we have to neglect PbCl2 as it is pure solid. Okay. Notice that in this equation that there is no gas physical states, so we don't have to write the equilibrium expression for Kp. This is because Kp is for partial pressure of gas. So for D, we don't have to write the Kp. For next checkpoint is checkpoint number 3. This is the last checkpoint we will discuss today. The question states the equilibrium 2NO gas plus Cl2 gas produce 2NOCl gas is established at 500 Kelvin. An equilibrium mixture of the gases has partial pressures of 0.095 atm, 0.171 atm, and 0.28 atm for NoCl2 and NoCl respectively. So first we have to rewrite the information given. This is to avoid us from careless. So first we have to remember the formula, which is equilibrium expression, the concentration of partial pressure of product over the partial pressure of the reactants. So then we just insert the product, which is NoCl power of 2 over the partial pressure of NO power of 2 multiplied by partial pressure of Cl2. So after that, we calculate the equilibrium expression using calculator, and finally we will get the answer, which is 50.801